Ang lesson na ito ay tungkol sa comparative questions o yung mga pagtatanong na may paghahambing sa English. Comparative questions. Which foods are more fattening? Sweets or fast food? Which foods are more fattening? Sweets or fast food? Kahulugan? Aling pagkain ang mas nakakataba? Yung matatamis o fast food? Is it better to be rich and ugly or poor and handsome? Is it better to be rich and ugly or poor and handsome? Mas maganda ba o mas mabuti bang maging mayaman pero pangit o mahirap pero pogi? Is there anything worse than losing your wallet? Is there anything worse than losing your wallet? Meron pa bang mas masakla pa kapag nawala ang pitaka mo? Which snake is more venomous, cobra or taipan? Which snake is more venomous, cobra or taipan? Aling ahas ang mas makamandag, cobra or taipan? Are you happier now than when you were younger? Are you happier now than when you were younger? Mas masaya ka ba ngayon kaysa noong bata ka pa? Which is healthier, salad or pizza? Which is healthier, salad or pizza? Alin ang mas masustansya, salad o pizza? Which is harder, science or math? Which is harder, science or math? Alin ang mas mahirap, science o math? What's more dangerous than a gun? What's more dangerous than a gun? Ano ang mas delikado pa kaysa sa baril? Which is sweeter, sugar or honey? Which is sweeter, sugar or honey? Alin ang mas matamis, asukal o honey? Which is worse for your health, smoking or drinking? Which is worse for your health, smoking or drinking? Alin ang mas masama sa kalusugan, paninigarilyo o pag-inom mo ng alak? Who sings better than Pavarotti? Who sings better than Pavarotti? Sino ang mas magaling pang kumanta kaysa kay Pavarotti? Who's older, your grandfather or your grandmother? Who's older, your grandfather or your grandmother? Sino ang mas matanda, ang lolo mo o ang lola mo? Is it better to study online or face-to-face? Is it better to study online or face-to-face? Mas mabuti bang mag-aral ng online o face-to-face? Which is more important, money or happiness? Which is more important, money or happiness? Alin ang mas importante, pera o kaligayahan? Which city is closer to Doha? Riyadh or Dubai? Which city is closer to Doha? Riyadh or Dubai? Aling syudad ang mas malapit sa Doha? Riyadh o Dubai? Who's taller, your dad or your mom? Who's taller, your dad or your mom? Sino ang mas matangkad, tatay mo o nanay mo? Is it better to be rich and dumb or poor and smart? Is it better to be rich and dumb or poor and smart? Mas maganda bang maging mayaman pero tanga o mahirap pero matalino? Which is better, Jollibee or McDo? Which is better, Jollibee or McDo? Saan ang mas masarap, sa Jollibee o sa McDo? Which animal makes a better pet, a dog or a cat? Which animal makes a better pet, a dog or a cat? Alin ang mas magandang alagaan, aso o pusa? Which car is cheaper, Fortuner or Terra? Which car is cheaper, Fortuner or Terra? Aling kotse ang mas mura, Fortuner or Terra? Which is better, metal braces or ceramic braces? Which is better, metal braces or ceramic braces? Alin ang mas maganda, metal braces o ceramic braces? Who is prettier, Thalia or J-Lo? Who's prettier, Thalia or J-Lo? Sino ang mas maganda, si Thalia o si J-Lo? What's bigger, the Earth or the Moon? What's bigger, the Earth or the Moon? Alin ang mas malaki, mundo o buwan? Who's smarter, you or your brother? Who's smarter, you or your brother? Sino ang mas matalino, ikaw o kuya mo? Which material is lighter, plastic or wood? Which material is lighter, plastic or wood? Aling materyales ang mas magaan, plastic o kahoy? Can you run as fast as you did when you were younger? Can you run as fast as you did when you were younger? Kaya mo bang tumakbo ng kasing bilis gaya nung bata ka pa? Which is more fragrant, sampagita or jasmine? Which is more fragrant, sampagita or jasmine? Alin ang mas mabango, sampagita o hasmin? Which language is more difficult to learn, French or Arabic? Which language is more difficult to learn, French or Arabic? Aling wika ang mas mahirap pag-aralan, French o Arabic? Which is faster, a horse or a cheetah? Which is faster, a horse or a cheetah? Alin ang mas mabilis, kabayo o cheetah? Is learning English as difficult as learning Korean? Is learning English as difficult as learning Korean? Kasing hirap ba ng Korean ang pag-aaral ng English? What is saltier, potato chips or pretzels? What is saltier, potato chips or pretzels? Alin ang mas maalat, potato chips o pretzels? Which is more expensive, silver or gold? Which is more expensive, silver or gold? Alin ang mas mahal, pilak o ginto?